Hey there, home care owners. Are you stuck at the same revenue level despite what feels like working harder than ever? You're putting in long hours, making countless calls, and still the growth isn't happening. Does that sound familiar? Well, today I'm here to share the #1 mistake holding most home care owners back from scaling their business to the next level. Now, the biggest mistake that I see is home care owners is that time and time again, they don't really have a structured sales system. Instead, they're just relying on these random tactics, a little bit of networking here, a few calls there, dropping off lunches, dropping off brochures, maybe even trying out some marketing strategies that they heard about online. It's what I call hope marketing, right? Throwing things at the wall and hoping that something sticks. Let me tell you, hope is not a strategy. Without a structured system in place, you're always going to be in the reactivity mode, right? You're constantly chasing the next lead, the next referral, without a clear plan guiding your actions. And that's why growth feels so slow and so inconsistent. And I was there, right? Instead, you need to have a strategic sales plan that's backed by data and proven to work. A plan where every single activity has a purpose and every move is intentional. You need to know exactly who you're targeting, what value you're bringing to them, and how you're going to stand out in this crowded marketplace. This means having clear KPIs, or what we call key performance indicators, focusing on the lead activities so you know what success looks like for each stage of the sales process. It also means having a consistent follow-up system so you're not just making connections, but you're actually building relationships that lead to ongoing referrals and growth. Look, I've seen it happen again and again and again. Once home care owners stop relying on randomness and they start using a structured system, everything changes, right? Referrals start coming in regularly, your team's aligned and more productive, you finally break through the revenue ceiling that's been holding you back, you have more time in the long run. If this resonates with you and you're ready to ditch the random tactics for a proven roadmap that actually guarantees your growth, then I've got something for you, right? In my book, I walk you through the exact steps and the exact framework to build a powerful, structured sales system tailored for your home care business. You'll get the strategies and the framework, plus I'm going to share 9 other critical mistakes that are derailing your ability to get more referrals. Things that you need to understand to get more referrals and scale faster. And it's all based on science, right? So don't keep spinning your wheels. Click on the link below, grab your copy of this book, and let's get you on the path to growth and success that you've been working so hard for. All right, I'll see you on the inside.